Hello everyone, we have given 200 divide 2 by 3 times 3. So first we'll do this multiplication 2 by 3 with 3 and cancel out the 3 with 3. Then what is left? 200 by 2 and this give us 100, but it is not the correct answer because according to order of operation, that is PEMDAS or PEDMAS rule, first you have to solve. The signs given is 200 divided by 2 by 3 times 3. First you have to solve the division, then multiplication. So here 200 divided by 2 over 3, then times 3. So first we have to do the division, that is 200 divided by 2 over 3. It becomes, we can write it as like this, or you can like this as write the division sign as multiplication and reciprocal it and then write it. So this is the format. You can write it properly without any confusion. Now you can cancel out with 2 this 100. This give us 100 times 3 times 3, that is 900. So what is the correct answer? 900. Thank you so much for watching this video.